Well, I'm sure you're already familiar with SEO marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and every other type of marketing that is currently running out there. But how much do you know about referral marketing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to go viral on social media using referral marketing. Come with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go viral on social media using the referral marketing method. Statistics shows that referred customers bring you 25% higher profit margin than any marketing method, and they are usually 18% more loyal than a customer acquired by any other means. And if done properly, referred marketing has the potential to bring you 20,000 new leads every single month, as customers referred by a friend are 4 times more likely to buy your product or services. Now imagine what that can do for your business. So what exactly is referred marketing? Referred marketing is a marketing method that uses recommendation to grow a business customer base through the network of the business existing customer. In simple terms, referred marketing is the process of converting your existing customers or acquired leads into a marketing recruitment agent for your offers. This works by creating a reward system when your existing customers perform the required fulfillment action on your marketing campaign. A typical example would be to ask your existing customers to recommend 5 of their friends and enjoy a 15% discount on your new organic body lotion. In this case, you have achieved 2 goals at the same time: making a sale and getting more leads at no extra cost, as these new leads can also be integrated into the marketing matrix to form a recurring sales generating loop for your business. The referral marketing method is very effective, especially if you're on a budget or when you are just launching out as a startup. This has been a long-age marketing method called word of mouth marketing. However, in this video, you're going to see how to leverage on the exponential power of the social media to go viral using the referral marketing system. And here is how to go about it. Before you create a referral marketing campaign, you need to determine what your marketing end goal is. Yes, you need to grab the pen and the paper and be very precise about your marketing objectives. Be clear on what you want to achieve with your campaign. Do you want to acquire new leads for your business? Spark a discussion about your new product online? Create a product launch campaign? Make a discount viral sales? Generate brand awareness, or grow your online audience presence? It's your call, and the options are indeed endless. Next, you want to determine your market audience. In this case, you will use the interest base and behavioral demography for your research. Find out about your target audience online activities. Find out the social media website they visit the most, the brand they follow, celebrities they love, and the nature of engagement. Be detailed to find out the influencer they follow on Instagram, the YouTuber they listen to, the Facebook group they hang out in, or the Twitter handle they follow. Facebook Audience Manager will be a handy tool for this research. Now it's time to create your bait offer. You will have to create an irresistible emotional bait offer that is relevant to your audience. This is where your creativity comes in, because you will need to create a compelling incentives that can increase your referral campaign success and at the same time protect your bottom line. And this is why virtual digital products, vouchers and coupon discount offers, credit loyal points, gift cards, celebrity hangouts are usually the common creative campaigns offer. Next is time to launch your referral campaign. You will need to create a landing page where your customer can get all the information about your referral program. This will be a system that can automate your fulfillment offers, track the activities of your affiliate, collect your leads into a mailing system, and also initiate a retargeting loop. And for this, we'll be using the viral leads funnel. I'll talk more about this web app in a moment. The last step will be to launch your referral campaign to your existing customer if you have one. And if you don't have an existing audience, no problem, as this is where the importance of your audience research comes in. Recent findings have revealed that Instagram shoutouts have proven to be an easy and effective way to launch a campaign in recent times, as influencers love referral and loyalty programs, especially when you have a great product that is relevant to their audience. You just have to make sure that it is also relevant to your niche market. And if you don't know what an Instagram shoutout is, just as it sounds, Instagram shoutout is when an influencer with large following share a word about your marketing offer. In this case, it's going to be the link to your referral marketing landing page. You should also ensure to share your landing page to relevant social media pages, and of course you may run a paid social media ad to jumpstart the process. Congratulations, you have launched a successful referral program, and depending on the parameter you set for your goal, you are sure to achieve two things at the same time, and that is getting new leads and watching your marketing go viral on social media. And in no time, you should start seeing referral flood in on automation day after day. Earlier, I talked about a web app that will help you to automate your social media referral campaigns. Here is how Viral Lead Funnel works. The link to access the Viral Lead Funnel is right in the description box below.
Hello, this is Ifiok NK and welcome to Viral Lead Funnels. In this video, I will show you a demo of this revolutionary software. But first, let me begin by showing you an example of a viral lead funnel. A viral lead funnel allows you to generate leads by giving away something valuable for free. When people sign up, they get access to your lead magnet and become your subscribers. Now, this is the interesting part. These new subscribers then get their own unique link to share your campaign with their friends and family to unlock further rewards. This creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same 2 steps and sends you even more subscribers. With viral lead funnels, you can easily create viral contests, giveaways, sweepstakes, or even a viral waiting list in just minutes. Let's get started by creating a new campaign. You can choose if you want to use our landing page builder to create a landing page for your new campaign, or you want to create a widget that you can use on your current page builder like ClickFunnels, WordPress, GroovePages, Funnelvio, and any other page builder. You can build from scratch or choose any of our done-for-you templates. Let's build from scratch. The first step is to create a landing page for your campaign. You can create more than one and test for the winner. Drag and drop sections to build your landing page. You can delete any section or rearrange the sections. Everything is editable. Let's start by editing the text. You can also modify the backgrounds of any section. You can upload your images to the gallery or choose from our library of over 7 million royalty-free stock images to make your page beautiful. We have a smart opt-in form. You can choose either a direct opt-in form like this or a 2-step opt-in form. The 2-step opt-in will require your visitors to click on a button before the opt-in form appears as a pop-up. This makes use of a psychological principle called commitment and consistency. Because visitors have completed the first step by clicking the button, they're more likely to do the second action, enter the email. If you choose the 2 steps, you can preview and edit the pop-up. Still on the opt-in, you can enable the Opt-in with Facebook button to allow your visitors to opt in with their Facebook account so you can capture their best email address. You can also kill 3 birds with 1 stone by building SMS, email, and messenger list at the same time. You can enable Messenger opt-in and paste your Messenger bot opt-in code here. This is to create urgency and get your visitors to take action. You can set up evergreen or countdown timers. We have a library of objects, illustrations, and transparent people images you can use. Let's save and preview our page. Nice! Let's exit the editor and proceed with our campaign. Let's proceed to configure the rewards. These are the incentives your subscribers will get when they share your campaign and invite their friends to sign up. The first reward we will set up for this campaign is a 25% discount coupon. Users will unlock this reward when they get 30 points. The reward type is coupon. Enter the coupon code that will be given to users when they unlock this reward. The next reward is a PDF file. We can redirect to a URL and enter the download page, or we can upload the file directly here. The third reward is an appointment. We can deliver this reward by email, or we redirect users to an appointment booking page. Let's proceed to actions. Here, you can set how many points you want to reward users for each action completed. Let's set to reward a subscriber 10 points for everybody they refer to sign up. You can also reward points for each share on different social media platforms. You can create custom actions to reward points for any type of action you want, like join my Facebook group, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on my post. You're only limited by your imagination. You can set a verification question to prevent people from cheating. Now, let's create a thank you page. The software allows you to create multiple thank you pages. Just drag and drop any section you want and edit. The Social tab allows you to control how your campaign appears on social media when subscribers share their unique link. Here, you can customize the email notifications, like the email users get when they register and when they unlock rewards. Emails are sent from our servers, but you have the option to use your own custom SMTP. Leads are stored for you and can be exported as CSV, but you also have the option to connect directly to third-party autoresponders and Zapier. You can set up your own custom domain for a full white-label solution. You can paste any custom script here, like Google and Facebook retargeting pixels. With this feature, you can set up links that automatically sign up anyone who clicks, converting all your existing subscribers into brand ambassadors. This will prevent people who already signed up from doing so again. Our campaign is ready. We have a nice dashboard here to track and analyze your campaign's performance. Let's preview the campaign. Your visitors sign up, receive their lead magnet, and then share their unique link to get their friends to sign up too. Once they reach specified milestones, they unlock rewards. The system creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same 2 steps and sends you even more subscribers. This is nothing but word-of-mouth advertising taken to the next level. The exact same strategy and technology used successfully by Airbnb, Dropbox, and Uber. The same technology I used to generate 11,000 subscribers from 1,000 visitors. The same technology now available to you, packaged into an easy-to-use yet super powerful cloud-based software. We have step-by-step tutorials to guide you through everything, and also our team is on standby to help if you get stuck. Go ahead, grab your access now before our special Founders Deal expires. See you inside!
I hope you've been able to get some values in this video. If you did, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and drop a comment in the box below.